Alright, so Brady's out of town for a few days in Washington, and I've got all the little boys with me, so we can get some chores done. We need to go to town today and go to the mill and get some chicken feed, and then go to the post office and run some errands and stuff. But Colt's gonna help me when the boys are taking a nap. We're gonna start trying to tear apart the roof on the old barn. That way we can just kind of gather up some of that lumber for the loafing shed we're building, and that way when Brady gets home we can get started on that. I just want to get all the lumber organized into piles, so that way we're not searching through all the pieces trying to find stuff that will work, and hopefully most of it will be about the same size. So anyways, we can get these bottles mixed up and then go get the calves fed. Careful, careful, careful.
I got you. I got him.
Alright.
I got the little baby.
Okay, gentle. Finn. Whoa, careful. Careful, Eldridge. You're right, Eldridge. You ready?
Yeah, I got the leash. Yeah. Everybody. Yes. We made it. Huh? Golly. Whoa.
You ready to go outside? Okay. You guys want to go feed cows? Okay, you gotta wait for Mom.
Huh?
You gotta wait for Mom and Colt. You gotta look for cars.
No cars.
No cars?
Ow.
Okay, let's go feed the cows.
Ow.
Stay out of the mud.
Because
Baby cows. Oh, they dumped their water over. Alright, so hold on. One of these works really easy and one does not. The one that doesn't work as easy Bonnie gets because she drinks way faster than Sunny.
okay, bathroom?
Yeah, she drinks way faster.
Bathroom?
Come on, Sunny. There you go. Alright, will you climb in there and get that bucket for me?
Yep.
Yep. Careful, careful. Okay. Thanks.
Try not to get kicked.
Do you want to do it?
Yeah.
Okay, don't spray Mama. And don't spray the dog. Good job, Henry. You gotta keep pushing. Here, push. There you go. You gotta fill it up. Alright, you guys. You got your fresh water.
Mom.
We'll see you guys in a little bit.
Mom.
Alright, chickies. You guys need your pen cleaned out today. You get a little bit of scraps today. Our chicken pen doesn't have gutters on the outside of it, and so it just dumps water and it gets super dirty quickly. So we're gonna get this cleaned out today, put new shavings down. I've got them locked up for a few days just because they're starting to lay, but they're starting to lay out in the bushes, and then we're not getting any of the eggs, which is a pain. So I'm hoping we can get them out on hot wire out in the pasture and build some kind of mobile chicken coop for them just for the summer, and then in the winter time have them in here. But anyways, we've got this little lady. I thought for sure she was a rooster at first, but she's not. So I told Colt that if he helps raise the meat chicks, that I would, he could earn some money. So he's been out feeding and watering him every morning, and then I usually go out, or Brady goes out and takes care of him in the evening. But they're out in the meat tractor. I'll put a little bit of footage from when we got him moved out the other day. Okay, you're catching chickens for me. Okay, count 1. What you guys think? The grass is so tall.
Okay.
Okay, come on, we gotta get you guys loaded up.
What?
We're gonna go put this in the garage.
What? Goodbye.
Sorry, buddy. You okay? Okay. No, you have to go in your seat. You guys ready?
Yay!
Ready, ready? Alright, let's go to the mill. Yeah, we're getting feed. Alright, the whole roof is pulled off. Brady did most of it, and Colt and I did the other side, but these things over here, just the loft pieces from the inside, we'll start tearing apart the rest a different day. So we've got all these boards to pull nails out of, and then I'm hoping I can start framing in some of this before Brady gets back. Alright, well, I got LD to sleep, and Henry and Colt are watching cartoons for a little bit. I'm gonna go get the chicken coop cleaned out because it's way overdue for that, and I figured I've got a little bit of time. Then we'll go back in, get the other two to sleep soon, And then I might go out if I still have enough daylight and pound some of the nails out of those boards. So. Alright, well that's it for them. They got all nice clean bedding and food and water, so I'm gonna go try to get Henry to sleep, and hopefully if he goes down quickly I can go work on those boards out by the barn. If not, then I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's just mostly our daily chores, so hope you guys have a good night. Bye.